Okay, so assault bike, very, very vicious. But what you're gonna do, when you come out to it to start with, you want the seat to be at hip height, so you can pull this up. You can adjust it this way. And some gyms, it'll be like a clip where you can just press it and lower the seat. And other gyms, you gotta twist it. So for the sake of ease, once you jump on, hip's fine for me. Come this way. Okay, this one, when you get going to start with, it's a full body movement, but it's very, very like, it's not gonna hurt your joints with this one. So the game plan, when you come over here, you can pick your calories. I'm gonna set your calories are the time or distance on this. I like doing calories, saying like 15 calories a go. I normally incorporate this on your programs with other circuits, okay? So to start with, from here, pull in tight. This exercise is really, really good to build up a really big sweat, and it's not weight dependent, and it's not weight bearing. So it's not like you're going running, it's not weight bearing, it's all seated. However, you will get a big sweat on this. Have a go.